The medical science proclaims that Alzheimer's disease as the damage to the brain cells, the neurological disease, and the loss of memory. Alzheimer's disease ends in behavioral changes, poor judgment, control and concentration, inactive brain function, inert nerves, rigid bone joints, stagnant blood flow in every tiny arteries and blood vessels, incomplete oxygen absorption in millions of active cells in the skull and other parts of the body, all due to inactivity of the working parts of the body, inconclusive food, breathing. Alzheimer's disease is the most common form of dementia, the general degradation in memory power and other capabilities. Amen. It is the call of life energy. Yoga is the encapsulation of life energy, rejuvenation of mind, nerves, glands, heart, bone joints, ligaments, and every cell in the body. Yoga is energizing the blood flow with green leaves, germinated seedlings, fermented, easily digestible whole grain, intake of excessive fiber food. Yoga is a purification of blood, smooth flow of blood, slow resurrection. Yoga is nerve rejuvenation, nerve alertness, muscle flexibility, bone joint flexibility, eye sharpness, and sharpness of every sense in the body. Yoga, pranayama, meditation, food practices, and good social living practices. The YPMFS practices suggested at Pachari Yoga International Trust, the non-profit legal entity, is aimed at mass rejuvenation program far away from dementia. YPMFS practices from 16 to 60 is the negation of Alzheimer's, a negation of brain inactivity, nerve numbness, junk food. It is the caregiver for progressive memory loss. YPMFS practices from 40 to 50 corrects nerve signals and prevents incorrect reverse signals in nerves, muscles, glands, and the active parts of the body. Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is PITE, is incredible at YPMFS practices, that is yoga, pranayama, meditation, improved food practices, and improved social life habits, all towards value in life, that is VALP, value added longevity of peaceful and painless life. My dear friend, PITE is the paradise in yoga, PITE is a paradise in pranayama, and PITE is a paradise in meditation. A paradise in food practices and living habits. and goodbye.